What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing good but better watching this video. So today we will be discussing about Emoji Day, which is celebrated on 17th July. So everyone knows what are emojis, right? Emojis are like small symbols which are used to represent some kind of feeling or emotion. So today we will be discussing more about these emotions and emoticons, and without further ado, let's get started. And before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and turn on those post notifications. And without further ado, let's get started. So we've seen when this emoji day will be celebrated, and first of all, who created these emojis in the first place. So emojis were invented by Japanese designer Shigetaka Kurita in 1999. They were made in order to make communication easier with limited text fields. In the same reason we still use them today. Kurita was just 25 years old when he invented emojis. So what are the most popular emojis? The first one is face with tears of joy. The second one is red heart. The third one is smiling face with heart eyes. The fourth one is thumbs up. The fifth one is hand waving. So what are some of your favorite emojis and which one do you use the most often? So as we discussed a bunch of things till now in this video, now let's look at some emojis and their meanings. So the first one is smiling face with squinting eyes. So the emoji will be here on my screen somewhere, but also this emoji often express genuine happiness and warm positive feelings. Are you sending an emoji or email that involves a lot of mundane information or a request? Add this emoji and provide alright heartiness to your email and you will have a lot of succession. So the second emoji is face with tears of joy. This emoji is widely used to show something is funny or pleasing. So the next one is smiling face with heart-shaped eyes. This emoji often conveys enthusiastic feelings or love, intuition, and adoration. Are you satisfied with a business partner or client response? This is the perfect time to utilize this emoji as it shows your love and appreciation for the response. Next emoji we will be discussing about is the relieved face. This emoji conveys various pleasant feelings including contentment, calm, peace and relief, or it may also convey feelings of happiness or good-natured humor. This emoji should be used when something potentially bad or negative was smoothed over. The next one is the sneezing face. This emoji portrays sneezing or blowing of the nose into a white tissue as from a cold or allergies. Are you sick and sending emoji to stack messages to your boss or to someone else that telling them that you are sick? Sneak into the emojis and let your boss or your family members or anyone know that you are sick by sending this sneezing face emoji. The next one is dizzy face. This emoji conveys a heightened or hyperbolic sense of such feelings such as shock, surprise, disbelief, or amazement, or any type of stature to this point of discoration, or did someone just get fired, or are you not in the mood, did a meeting not go as planned? This is the perfect time to display your confusion or shock into a replacement using this emoji. So the next emoji is the pleading face. This emoji conveys feelings of as if begging or pleaded. Do you have like a client that is not followed through or something? Send them an email or this emoji and let them know how important it is to you. So the next one is the fingers crossed emoji. This emoji is commonly used as a gesture indicating luck or to show the desire for a favorable outcome, or it may show luck, desire, anything like that. This can be read often a favorable outcome. This can also used in a business deal where discussing something professionally with a client or a business partner. Is the okay hand sign. So this emoji represents I'm okay, or yes, or that's correct, or that's good, anything representing to that kind of information. So let's just say you ask someone a question or you answered it right, something like that. In that situation, you can use this emoji to represent yes, correct, good, or anything related to that. Emoji is the clapping hands. This emoji can be used as a round of applause, or it is best to use this emoji after hearing good news from a client, employee, or some good news from your family members or your friends. So the last emoji is the pouting face. This emoji conveys more intense degrees of anger, such as hate or rage, or if you're angry. Hopefully, you do not ever need to use this emoji towards a client, business partner, or your family members if they don't do something wrong. You can also use this emoji whenever you are angry at something, or if you're not in the mood, you can use this emoji to represent your feelings so that the other person can know what you're also thinking. So guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you learned a lot from this video about Emoji Day, and today we have learned a bunch of new things. And if you like this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications.